Hello, good morning. Today is May 2, 2025, and today I'm gonna show you our dewberry. It is a wild fruit around here in our home, and this is when it's not ripe yet, green to red, and when it's ripe it look like this. So it's very sweet and tangy. This is a dewberry. So this is my patch for my dewberry. This is native here, this area in the south of Texas. So harvest the dewberry, these berries here, and harvest when it ripe like this. So when I harvest them, I make jam, and or you can juice them, or you can put in the blender, put a little bit of water and strain them, because it's a lot of seed. So basically in this one fruit like this, and you see there's a lot of juice, but also it's a lot of seeds. So I don't like to eat the seeds, so I strain them and drink the juice. It's very good for you because this is a wild, so it's basically it's native here. There's another one right here. It's a lot, so I let it grow, and I don't cut here in this area here so that I can have more dewberry. And you can only harvest in the springtime, so April, end of April, and all month of May you can harvest this. So this is the dewberry, so like this. So this is the very good, it's very good for you. So it's, when you harvest this, don't wear a white shirt because it's very staining. And so I think it's antioxidant. So this is the dewberry, is wild here, and basically because they are native here, but you can only harvest once a year. So